Are you tired of guessing what to eat every day? Eating healthy can be simple, delicious, and exciting. In this video, we'll show you a full week of breakfast, lunch, and dinner ideas that boost your energy, immunity, and overall health. From brain-boosting breakfasts to muscle-repairing dinners, stay with us to get a complete 7-day meal plan that makes healthy eating effortless. Day 1, breakfast. Avocado toast with poached egg and cherry tomatoes. Start your day with fiber, healthy fats, and protein. Portion: 1 slice whole grain toast, 1/2 avocado, 1 poached egg, handful of cherry tomatoes. Perfect for sustained energy and brain clarity. Day 1, lunch. Grilled chicken salad with kale, quinoa, and roasted bell peppers. This protein-packed salad supports immunity and keeps you full. Portion: 4 to 6 ounces grilled chicken, 1 cup kale, 1/2 cup quinoa, 1/2 cup roasted bell peppers. Day 1, dinner. Baked cod with roasted Brussels sprouts and sweet potato wedges. Lean protein, antioxidants, and complex carbs make this dinner great for heart and brain health. Portion: 4 to 6 ounce cod, 1 cup Brussels sprouts, 1 cup sweet potatoes. Let's move to day 2, with more nutritious meals to energize your day. Day 2, breakfast. Overnight oats with almond butter, banana, and cinnamon. Fiber, protein, and energy. Portion: 1/2 cup oats, 1 teaspoon almond butter, 1 banana, sprinkle of cinnamon. Perfect to fuel your morning. Day 2, lunch. Lentil and vegetable stew with barley. Plant protein, fiber, and slow-release carbs. Portion: 1 to 2 cup stew, 1/2 cup barley. Perfect for satiety and energy. Day 2, dinner. Stir-fried tofu with broccoli, mushrooms, and brown rice. Plant protein and vitamins support muscle and digestion. Portion: 1/2 cup tofu, 1 cup brown rice, 1 cup vegetables. Day 3 brings more fresh and delicious meals to keep your week balanced. Day 3, breakfast. Greek yogurt parfait with mixed berries, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Probiotics, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Portion: 1 cup yogurt, 1/2 cup berries, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon pumpkin seeds. Day 3, lunch. Turkey and avocado whole grain wrap with cucumber salad. Lean protein, healthy fats, fiber. Portion: 3 to 4 ounce turkey, 1/2 avocado, 1 whole grain wrap, 1 cup salad. Day 3, dinner. Grilled salmon with roasted zucchini, carrots, and quinoa. Omega-3, fiber, and antioxidants. Portion: 4 to 6 ounce salmon, 1 cup zucchini, 1 cup carrots, 1/2 cup quinoa. On to day 4, with more simple, healthy meals to keep you energized. Day 4, breakfast. Spinach and mushroom omelet with a slice of whole grain toast. Protein, vitamins, fiber. Portion: 2 eggs, 1/2 cup mushrooms, 1 cup spinach, 1 slice toast. Day 4, lunch. Chickpea, cucumber, and tomato salad with olive oil dressing. Plant protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Portion: 1 cup chickpeas, 1/2 cup cucumber, 1/2 cup tomatoes, drizzle of olive oil. Day 4, dinner. Baked chicken breast with roasted cauliflower and wild rice. Lean protein, antioxidants, complex carbs. Portion: 4 to 6 ounce chicken, 1 cup cauliflower, 1/2 cup rice. Day 5 brings more colorful and nutrient-dense meals. Day 5, breakfast. Smoothie with spinach, pineapple, banana, flaxseed. antioxidants, fiber, omega-3. Portion: 1 cup spinach, half a cup pineapple, 1 banana, 1 teaspoon flaxseed. Day 5 lunch: quinoa salad with roasted vegetables and feta cheese. Protein, fiber, minerals. Portion: 1 cup quinoa, 1 cup roasted vegetables, 2 tablespoons feta cheese. Day 5 dinner: pan-seared shrimp with asparagus and brown rice. Lean protein, vitamins, fiber. Portion: 4 to 6 ounce shrimp, 1 cup asparagus, half a cup rice. Day 6 keeps your meals simple, delicious, and nutrient-rich. Day 6 breakfast: whole grain pancakes with fresh berries and Greek yogurt. Fiber, antioxidants, protein. Portion: 2 pancakes, half a cup berries, 2 tablespoons yogurt. Day 6 lunch: tuna salad with mixed greens, avocado, cherry tomatoes. Lean protein, omega-3, vitamins. Portion: 4 to 6 ounce tuna, 1 to 2 cups greens, 1/2 avocado, half a cup tomatoes. Day 6 dinner: baked turkey meatballs with spaghetti squash and marinara sauce. Lean protein, low carb, antioxidants. Portion: 4 to 6 turkey meatballs, 1 cup spaghetti squash, half a cup marinara. Finally, Day 7 wraps up your healthy week of meals. Day 7 breakfast: chia pudding with almond milk, mango, coconut flakes. Fiber, omega-3, antioxidants. Portion: half a cup chia pudding, half a cup mango, 1 teaspoon coconut flakes. Day 7 lunch: grilled vegetable and hummus wrap with whole grain tortilla. Fiber, plant protein, vitamins. Portion: 1 wrap, 1 cup vegetables, 2 tablespoons hummus. Day 7 dinner: baked salmon with sautéed kale and roasted sweet potatoes. Omega-3, vitamins, complex carbs. Portion: 4 to 6 ounce salmon, 1 cup kale, 1 cup sweet potatoes. These meals are simple, affordable, and packed with nutrients. Eating balanced breakfasts, lunches, and dinners can boost your energy, immunity, and overall health. Which meal will you try first? Comment below and subscribe to Live Well Journey for more healthy living tips.